Hi, Humza. You wrote a good essay. You did everything that you were meant to do. Your descriptions of the future are vivid and detailed, and your your paragraphs all have the elements that they need. All I see are some formatting and stylistic problems, and I couldn't help myself but leaving some editing comments, so you can find out about all those by reading my comments. I don't think I saw any patterns. I mean, I saw a few wording problems. I guess that's the main pattern. There's some comma splices. Yeah, there's some comma splices. I'm going to go over those in class this week, and they're easy to fix, so don't worry too much about that.